to another video, and thank you for tuning in. So if you haven't watched last video, go watch it. I explain a lot on what exactly will be going on in this video, so if you haven't, go ahead and watch it. But we just got to the exhaust shop. We had Flowmaster. This is in, actually you guys wouldn't even know where this place is unless you're from Atlanta, but this is in Austell. I forgot what this place is called. Oh yeah, it's called Laredo Muffler. So we're here. I've been here before. This is where I first got my muffler resonator deleted. It did an amazing job, and I'm back again to install the Dynomax Race Mini Bulletin, or Race Mini Bullet. Oh shoot! Okay. There's a semi behind me. Alright, so that was what was behind me, and he was basically picking up that container, so I had to move. Okay, anyways, I was saying, so we're at the muffler shop right now. We're about to install the muffler on there, and it shouldn't take long at all. I'll try and see if I can get some shots in there while they're installing the muffler on the car. Again, it's the Dynomax Race Mini Bullet muffler. So they should be just taking off the straight pipe from behind and installing it. Guys, that's how we're looking right now. Yeah, she's pretty dirty. It still rained this morning overnight, so yeah, the car is just filthy right now. But this is the shop over here. Right now we have one customer in there, so I'm just gonna be waiting until they're done, and then they can pull me in real quick and get stuff done. All right, guys, we just right there.
Okay. I mean, it's gonna be better right here.
It's gonna be better right there.
Yeah. And later on, if you like it and you want to quiet down a little bit more, you put the other one on.
Okay.
You know, you buy this one and just ride it like that and see how they sound. If you want to quiet down a little bit more, you buy other one and put it
right there.
And if you want to like more quiet down or more like smooth tone or something,
yeah,
you buy other one and put it there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
We will go. I'm up.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna actually put it in place of where the resonator was, instead of where the muffler was. I think I said in the last video I was gonna put it where the muffler was, but I think it's better this way because most videos they were put on right here. So I think that'll probably be the best bet. And things are still looking pretty good back here. Guys, look at the welding. It's precise. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Nice. Again, if you're in the Atlanta area, Laredo Muffler, they will definitely take care of you. But right now, they're bringing her down. Alright guys, start up. Wow, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. That sounds so good, guys. Oh my. Wow. Okay. Alright, now we just have to test drive it and see what we got going on. Woo! That sounded really good, guys. Guys, this is ridiculous. It sounds so good. Okay, so the first thing I've noticed, it has really refined the pops and bangs, as well as like the overall tone. It's refined it a little bit. The raspiness I was talking about at 2,000 RPMs, it's still there, but it's refined. Like, it's really refined. I don't think you guys can hear that. This is a little shaky, sorry guys. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. Do you hear that rasp right there? It's refined it, but I feel like I still want it tamed down just a little bit. And the guy at the shop was saying if I really want it, well not really, but if I want it tamed down just a little bit more, I could get another one of those and stick it out where the muffler is. To drive and film at the same time, so I have my phone on the magnet mount on here. I'm gonna say I'm happy with how it sounds. The only thing now to determine if I want to buy another one and stick it where the muffler is to actually listen to the car from the outside, like have someone drive it while I stand outside and listen to the car. But other than that, it sounds amazing. Oh my gosh, there's so much traffic here. I get home, because yeah, this just sounds so good. Alright, I'll see you guys when I'm home. Alright guys, so I just got home and I can't believe, like, this is freaking awesome. But I might need one more on the muffler section, just because like it's at the edge of where I want it, maybe a little bit over where I want it. It could just be me as well, you know. I just have to hear how the car sounds like as someone drives it. So I think at the moment I am gonna stick with this for now, but for now I think, you know, it just sounds so good, guys. It sounds so good. Anyways, I think this is gonna conclude the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this little video. You guys can know what exactly you can put on your CLK500 or even any other AMGs in general, but the Dynomax Race Mini Bullet muffler is it's where it's supposed to be. I would say, you know, having two of those is perfect with long tube headers, because the second one is gonna refine it more, give it a little bit of a deeper tone, still keep it aggressive. I don't know if it's gonna lose a little bit of the pops and bangs, but it might refine it or lose a little bit of it. But this one, I know for sure it refined the pops and bangs. The raspiness is still there, but I think a second one might do the trick. I'm just not sure. You know, stuff like this with exhaust, it's always a try on error, and if you put it on, and to me, it might feel a little bit less aggressive than what I thought it would, then I would have to take it off again, and you know, that's just extra cost. But again, you know, experimenting comes with the extra cost, so we'll see how it sounds like. I should be posting more videos on how the car actually sounds, maybe do some flybys, accelerations, some revs, few revs, see how it sounds. But guys, I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with the muffler that I just put on the car. And you saw it was on the resonator section rather than the muffler section. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, take care.